Cutting guides. Due to popular demand from our grill kits, we are introducing a range of cutting guides. What these do is they help you, the customer, to cut your grill in the right place every time, and the lamps then can fit in nice and easily afterwards. So in your kit, you will receive the black grill brackets, which the lamps will mount to, and also these white grill cutting guides. These mount first. I'm showing it here on a Transit Custom. They're numbered, and we always work from the right vehicle side to the left. Numbered 1, 2, 3, and 4. And generally they're clipping in place. All we need to do now is get the hacksaw blade, and we'll be cutting every time along the larger end of the grill kit guide, along here. And that's the process with the cutting guides. It makes every installation very easy and no chance of a mistake.